Section 4, number 2, you're going to find the measure of all the numbered angles. So if we take a look at A here, you see that there is a 90-degree triangle right here. And this allows us to set up an equation to solve for this angle 1 here. So the angle 1 plus the 90 degrees, okay, plus the 42 here is going to be equal to 180. All right. This now allows us to solve the variables. Okay, so 90 plus 42, we want to simplify that first. That gets us 132. So angle 1 plus 132 degrees is equal to 180. Subtract 132 from both sides. This cancels, leaving you that angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 132, which is 48 degrees. Okay. Let's take a look at B here. All right, we can do that same process here. For this triangle, to get angle 1, we know that angle 1 plus 90, which is right here, plus this 40, okay, makes this complete triangle, so that equals to 180. All right, so 90 plus 40 from before, it is 130. So angle 1 plus 130 is equal to 180. Subtract 130 from both sides. This cancels. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. So we know that this is 50 degrees right here. Okay? Because this is angle 40 by vertical angles, this is also going to be 40 degrees. So we can say angle 2 is equal to 40, and this is because of vertical angles. All right? Next, we can set up an equation here to solve for angle 3. So angle 3 plus the 95 plus the 40 is equal to 180. All right? Because that is that left side triangle. So 95 plus 40 is 135. So angle 3 plus 135 is equal to 180. Subtract 135 from both sides. This cancels. Angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. There you go. Let's now take a look at C here. All right. We have this equation for the left triangle, the 45 plus 56 plus that missing angle 1 is going to be equal to 180 degrees. All these angles here add up to 180. 45 plus 56. This gets you 101 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Subtract 101 from both sides. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 101. This gets you 79 degrees. All right. So this is 79 degrees. All right. Take a look at this here. This forms a linear pair. So we can say 79 degrees plus 50 degrees plus angle 2 is equal to 180, and this is because of linear pairs. The angles here make up a straight line. So 79 degrees plus 50 degrees, that gets you 129 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Subtract 129 from both sides. This cancels, leaving you with angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 129. That gets you 51 degrees. So angle 2 here is 51 degrees. Because you know, I'm going to erase this, write 51 degrees here. Okay, this is 51 degrees. Then we know this is 90. We can set up one more equation to solve for angle 3. So angle 3 plus 51 plus that 90 is equal to 180. All right, 51 plus 90, that's 141. So angle 3 plus 141 is equal to 180. Minus 141 from both sides. Angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 141 is 39 degrees. So there you go. That is how you get all three angle measurements.